I'm glad to see you, I'm happy for you. Everyone know I'm happy for you.
Say hi, daily, the government.
God, because I love you, Adi, from my heart. Because I love how you make him happy. You deserve everything in the world.
Don't it?
You have good heart, you have good brother. You know what worry people for you?
You know that, man. You ain't no worry, man.
Every day.
That's a girl that I worry, you know.
How
with the blood?
I may represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them match. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them match. Media Fox, Media Fox, Media Fox, Media Fox. Media Fox RTV. I represent for the latest music and trending news. One Media Fox.
Yes, people, you don't know Media Fox now. Come for talk Fox, not talk trash. It's what me I try to say. Yeah, man, no see what go on at the media, man. You see me? Yeah, one bag of saga. To me, what go on at the dance right now? It come like love and hip hop. I don't know if you watch love and hip hop. You see me? Yeah. And one bag of drama. Lisahype, dexta tap, Foota and him baby mother, boy, Jano, me I tell you. People, me I tell you, Foota, boy, Foota salt in him, always I pick up some type of baby mother, you know. But always I come out, come class in my one bag of thing, brother. I don't know what you're doing, but you have to switch up the type of girl where you're doing. You see me, car, the one ya, me I tell you, brother. Me I tell you about that one ya, she know something wrong with she. You see me, car, she try use KARTEL to get at you or whatever. You see me, but he look like KARTEL smart cause him use she if you dry out. You understand? For take the pressure off of him. You understand? But for this a baby mother you come out and attack one bag of thing. Yo, sometimes I wonder what really I want. You understand? You don't know lisahype and dexta tap. You see me, boy, look like lisahype. Boy, I don't know dexta do to her, you know, but the man left a spirit in her to rot it. One time, when I go see in the video them, one time she say, yo, come here. Boy, me I tell you, lisahype could have hypnotized dexta that, me I tell you the problem. You understand? But it don't look good at all. Me I tell you. It don't look good. You see it, but boy, Jano, that baby mother have a Foota have. Jano. Sometimes women feel deal with them, present themselves better, but it seem like Jano. I don't know where she try to get out of this or whatever, cause she don't really look good at all them things as a mother. Is what I try to say, but we don't see say she want the clout and every little thing. You see me? Yeah. Cause she has one bag of thing and she flash money and one bag of thing and Ray and Tay and you know, Foota did, when I go see it in the video, then Foota did say yo, him put her up and she did over here and she call him like, to me look like a girl there. The girl has some problem. She walk with some type of spirit, like she and nobody can agree, so she feel she do what she do for get her money or whatever is what I try to say. But I don't know. She there on KARTEL, if he just watch out himself with that girl like them girls sometimes carry some spirit in and a normal spirit, you know. Is what I try to say. Yeah man, and a normal spirit man. You see me, but why you know? Dexta tap have lisahype way. I tell you. And when she show me, tell me about the song them and every little thing, you see me? I say, yo, Jano. And she me hear what she talk about the scene them up and Ray and him song them, I say, right, did. Like him a think about her too. You see me? But you see sometimes, you see with the Foota thing as a baby mother, you can't just bring down a baby father so because another man, you understand? You can't do that. Is what I try to say, cause Foota say him help you and put you up and is what I try to say. So for you, but man, me rate how Foota forward out. You see me, and him not too style in a way like how you are style him. You see me? Yeah, make sure you go on, cause you don't know a woman that. You see me? But we should talk, I say yo, you know in a sense man, cause you have flash money or whatever. The man name not even there, not the kid's name not even the man name, much less the man. You understand? Him not know, but him still do the effort and do it same way. You understand? But you see, in a life, sometimes it's good for a woman, you know. You see me? Great for a woman, but you see, when it comes to kids, you have to know who you have kids with. You understand? You have to know, because that's one of the depressing thing, you know. You see, partner where you choose to have kids with, yeah, man, can remember, you know. And I like you can all just stop dealing with that person, you know. If you really love your kid, you know. You understand? You have to deal with them for go through the kid. You see me? Or where Foota say wait till the kid get big and can reach out to him same way. But this not look good in the media at all, I tell you. You see me? Lisahype. I tell you, as I say, this come like a love and hip hop thing, you see me? Yeah man, love and hip hop thing this. Cause this not look good at all. You see me, this come like one series. You see it? Yeah man, this come like one series, man. You see me, cause one bag of saga. I don't know everything they run KARTEL to rat it. Yo, where music there, where dance all we know there. Eh? One bag of saga, brother. I tell you, one bag of love and hip hop, some drama thing, it's come like some Tyler Perry movie thing. You see me? What about over this and Ray and Lisa forward out and I say yo Dexta better than KARTEL and you see me? One bag of saga and one bag of thing and I know you don't know them did say back then she did certified. You see me? Mental issue and Ray and thing, but it seems like she good now and she does a vent. Woman already put out them emotions and everything, but you know, where Dexta say still kinda I say yo brother, I don't know, but yeah say but we know we see pictures and every little thing. Yeah, and she talk, Lisa talk about the scene them and every little thing. So I wonder, I say brother, this can't I don't understand. Is it because as she say, when we're not gonna see down the line, as she say yo, she link him when she pregnant and whatever, and I say yo, my name Black her and whatever. I say yo, you know, like him not try to find out or you understand? I don't know what happened, but I saw the thing go. You see me? According to Lisa, them say yo man China chin and but yo one time sometimes you could have just pick up something what really are going. Like one time I tell you say Dexta that part rain and I tell you say man I drop a girl song them hits and everything and then after you just see things just everything just drop. I when him drop him album and one bag of thing I say yo what really are going. You see me? But boy you know Dexta you have to know them type of girl we have around here brother car. You see me? But we are try deny her still kinda not look right, bro. Like, it's what I call the way all Lisahype talk, brother. Something is there. You see me? Something is there, brother. When a woman have an emotional connection, brother, something go on and she talk out the scene them is what I try to say. So when you say, yo, bro, I'm gonna tell you this, brother. You see me? As a man Dexta, you have to just we know say you want to clear ear and everything, bro, but if you know you and the girl usually talk and then you have to say, yo, tell him family if you make she take her pill and all of that. That I know because of that trigger to you understand? Yeah man, that trigger too. You understand? When you go say yo mental issue and all of them little thing there, you see me? So you have to just know what you say some of the time. You see it? If you go forward out you say yo Ray, but not to say yo about mental issue bro and she go take pill and one bag of thing. You see me? Cause as she say she pregnant for you, nobody want it so it look like that pitney there. I don't know what happened to the child. If she end up have it or what happened. But them thing they can live in a woman for life. You see me? Worse when she lose a child. Yeah man, that can't go over her head. You see me? Yeah. Cause you can say she still rate Dexta, She still rate Dexta, man. You see me? I look like them have a chemistry and think. I told them usually part regular. If you look, you will see some video and some picture and every little thing. So but one of them thing the people is it and the incident with Foota thing. You see me? Foota for those avoid that girl, cause she look like one girl with us. Sometimes she talk, she not even know what she say. You understand? She talk about foreign and she just scattered and attack. I'm not gonna see that down the line. She not talk straight or whatsoever. So me I try to say, yeah man. And she try use KARTEL for beat Foota or whatsoever, you see me? So one bag of thing, but same little thing it can look like seem to me she tell KARTEL one bag of thing with Foota car. When I see KARTEL forward all the time and I say yo when he must say yo he man like some man we can't buy them data panty and one but I may say yo when those forward out and say that so I say no man something alright you see me I say oh him know that and him just a forward you see it so yeah man one bag of saga going in a dancehall speed but people like share and subscribe same speed you see me yeah man you don't know this is dancehall drama saga you see me as my call it dancehall love and hip hop yeah so me see it because we have the artists them, the celebrity them, you see me, at it, you see me, and some little extra people forward in one bag of thing. You see what I try to say, but big up the people, big up all fan base across the board, you see me, yeah man, big up all fan base, I don't know the things that already, you know, not everybody have a like you, and you see me, one of them things there, so you go, body in them feelings and whatsoever, Is what I try to say. Yeah, man. One of them thing there. Yeah, man, and big up the Gaza fan them same speed, car. You see me, sometime if them did use them energy. Same energy where them are using at the comment them, if them did put that in the artist music, you would have be better off. But yeah, man, it's a fan where defend the artist, but not defend where the artists are do musical, you see me. But yeah, man, big up on the same speed, you see me. Yeah, man, car. Comment enough, you see it, but I one of them thing there. Big up on yourself, when you still a fan too. You see me? Yeah, man, people, you don't know. I mean the facts, you know, like, share, and subscribe, people. Remember to do that. You understand? Remember to click the bell. You see me? Shake the bell and just when you see it turn the all, on good. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know. Yeah, man, people, so you know, say, me I go drop the video them, car. It's a love and hip hop series, this, you know. Yeah, you see me? Jamaica, love and hip hop series. So, I go play some clip and make you see what I want, and then you can take whatever you think from Foota's perspective, way and opinion about the situation. You see me? You can do that in the comment and talk what you think about the local situation or whatever. What I just say a while ago, just my opinion or what me think. You understand? Yeah, because I'm not really there around them for know what go on or whatever. I just a talk. You see me? But yeah, man, people. See the clip them here? Yeah, man. You don't know.
What type of people seek asylum? Talk to me, no man. Something not right.
KARTEL just come from jail and gone Mobile. Me see her in a KARTEL car. KARTEL go up on the ends where she live and she KARTEL, remember, I always a go on and she threats to them I go kill her. She and her mother and her sister and the whole of them. And me carry them a cassava piece go put up in my house. Them there me yard for about a month. Anyway, she breed, the man fly her out, them live in Costa Rica. Listen this, you know. Me not hear back from this girl here how much years, you know. Zin? Years after, me don't know where she get my number. One day me hear she call me out of nowhere. I ask me if I have no link for certain things and certain. I say, no, I don't have no link. I don't know nothing about them something. She gone. She come back again. One next time, call me. She and the man are war. And she want to look for papers and rain. I say, so you there at Costa Rica so long. And you know look for no paper, you know look for yourself, you know do nothing. The man a beat her, kill her over there. Because the man a say the youth and a female. Then, she with her back against the wall now. This is when the youth are 12-year-old, you know. People want to listen to me now. The youth are 19 right now. I'm 8 for have to do this. But when you see people look at hype and take money, because she take money and it mix up with my thing. And I said to the youth, so I give my money. I give him about 25 or 30 grand. Me know say him will give money out of it. Me no business. I give him clothes and him shoes them and cut. I start communicate with the youth alone. People, remember this, you know. The youth ain't in my name, you know. The youth ain't in my name at all, you know. Remember, me don't do a DNA yet for the youth.
Jamaica cassava piece you're done with. Nothing you do for people them up there. My son now go work on a Burger King. My son now go be no selector. It now go happen Foota. My son now go work on no Burger King for please you because your brother a Burger King. You chat the people them go and you chat the people them come. What are you doing towards your son as a big man parlor? Foota you no shame. Stepfather this, stepfather that, and me I tell you, him stepfather love him. Because him stepfather look and say he's doing extremely well. The man proud of him. But you Foota your bad mind your son. You know why your son reach no way. Yeah. If I know your stepfather, see there? If I know your stepfather money. If I know your stepfather money, Foota, hold up this me say. Foota, get 2 grand US and hold you up so. See there? Hold you up. Let me show you because I don't hungry. I just tired of you. Hold up the money them like this. And stop watch Sean Storm them. Hold up your money, sir. And stop watch Sean Storm them. And stop watch people them like me. I do way better than you Jamaica. Me I do way better than you Jamaica. My son have to survive. Let me take up my money. Business degree. You should jump up happy. You should have a run go blood clot. Say, you know, say And you run, come show me your phone. Say, I Sean and them find one browning like you. Me never did I go succumb to broke life. Me done talk. And me, I did want to give my pussy for free, move your blood clot. And my son never did I go grow under poverty. My baby live a foreign from him at 6 months old. That's why I speak Spanish. I live better than you. Yeah, big up Adija, big up Madonna, I'm a friend for life. Me get paid, Gaza will say, right there so. Gaza will say. That me say. And it hurt you so much. Gaza come just take over the whole of your local life. From Cartel come out. Cartel me I beg you no go near man him Obia yo. Cause be Obia walking in your size 13 for people. I walk on people named Dirty Man. Me not like you. There are amount of things in the ear boy a while ago. Me in the family meeting. Yeah, me was straight out, woman. Don't make him tell you nothing. Me see that girl is Wednesday with him. Oh, and me, I am it. You say I am this. Me don't know where me see for you. I didn't know what I saw. I know me shock. Eh? Nice clean dean data. Eh? Que tu sabes yo, hombre. Just solamente cuida mi hijo, nada más. Nice girl like me.
Like a sack of salt, I mean him NPC.
I want him answer. I want him answer. Because I go box him with my $5,000 bill them. I go box him with them. I want him to do this and eat my Foota.
You know, go answer, you know. And me, I go start take set pan and me can't take that, you know, that's too much.
Him can't take set pan you because you don't have, you're not one deadbeat father. You don't get no U-Tech. But just tell her, don't do U-Tech and him do a business degree. You go fuck up your money there. Why you not go and contribute to your son?
So I feel pitting her a jacket.
No, it's his.
Oh.
Him send money, you know. Him send money but once a blue moon. But he keeps promising the child the money to pay the tuition fee.
Oh, so we not promise him local food?
Me not like the promises. The promises are mad me. Me tired of it now.
Then him so hawk steal with local grammar zone in a hit, man.
Remember say Foota run off him there foreign, him run with Ghana foreign, him seek asylum. Only Batman seek asylum. So me don't know why him seek asylum for. Me don't know why him seek asylum for.
Then get it?
He look like him get it. Him not come back to Jamaica from we are 2000 must say woy. You know.
Is he?
You could warm to the youth. Warm to the youth. Make a post up the graduation picture them right now too. With him, my brother, me not think a cartel scenario, me know a cartel scenario. Figure it out. Him don't salt and a salt cartel salt. When you think cartel not trouble nobody, but he's troubling people. As she and cartel are par. Up and down in a vehicle and thing and mobile. Just cool no man. Me not have no reason for lie, man. I tell you. So figure it out. I'm not thinking, you know. I know it is him. And everything me talk on internet, me just thought this now because she come do this. And she and him apart. And she in a little idiot here. Zine, if you come talk about now my youth. All if me never that mind him and my youth. I grand this name, my name Thomas. Yeah, exquisite beauty. I see that in the video. When she in a cartel van. I thought about, oh God, I pray for you. Oh, no, I couldn't wait for you to come. I couldn't. So go on and leave the youth out right now, man. See, me, as a parent, so me I do what me if I do as a father, and I do my due diligence, and the mother them feel like them want to ramp with me cut off every mama blood clot body. So when the pitney reach of age and have sense, Zine, when the pitney have sense and can reach out to me themselves, when me not have to deal with no mother, yeah, I saw me do my thing. Me not about no, baby mother can't style me and you was pitney for style me. And me still I do nothing. Gus, you no go away. If you don't understand yourself, you no get cut off straight. She want have blood clot talk. Which part? Then go and have talk alone. Pay bills them yourself. Pay school fee them yourself. Buy uniform them yourself. You don't have to deal with me. And the people don't have to deal with me neither. Till them get big and absent and know say your mother did violate. That's why your father cut. And if you feel angry for that,
Bro, we duffel bag full, bro. We duffel bag full, bro. Don't do that, bro. We not over here beg you. We duffel bag full, bro. I not beg one. I know not one for you more. Step up the plates. I know me alone build the youth. It's not me alone build the youth. You get out of hand. I want this reach. I want the whole of Jamaica see. Everybody way in a them business. I want them take you and I want them put this in a song and done your blood clot. If they are foreign and go in your basement, go hide. Anyway, America, you're there. Yes, why you hold on your blood clot head. So, say Jesus Christ, the people and see me. Yeah. Come over here, I beg you, bro.
People, remember to like, share, and subscribe, you know. Is what I'm trying to say. Want to enjoy the look a serious drama. You see me dancehall, look a dancehall gone to. Is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, man. Look here.
I mean, deliberately stay from you. You see, every time you come to Jamaica on your birthday and whatever, you see me no look upon you. You no see me no look upon you. This your pussy, you well disciplined. You see, before me fuck you, at 2 years me never fuck. Before me, when me fuck you, when me rape you, at 2 years me never fuck for. That's why my foot could have go up in that ear like chandelier. I go play the blood clot song them for the people them. And make them see say me ya sing bo. Fling the drawers away, fuck her away. She have to come back tomorrow. Fling the drawers away, fuck her away. She run like a barrow. Stop tell like I never run. I back up my blood clot, but me back up the blood clot back as pan you. And when you give me, I turn my face and say, see wall. See wall. You forgot in the office? The backers there when me give you? When you get jealous because blood clot, when you get jealous because whether you the name, whether blood automatic them in the office are reason with me. You get jealous and you and boom tick outside a chat beer create through a word like blood clot girl and you see me knit up my eyebrows up and you stop chat. And then automatic them go in and you come in at the office and lock the room door. You figure that there? You figure that there? Behavior. Behave your blood clot self. And don't draw me out. Member, me mad. Member, me have me certificate. Member, me drink the sweet Milo tea. So me fuck up your blood clot and go court. Nothing not gonna come out of it. Me just go plead insanity. Pussy. So you better come to me now. Come. Come to me. Come to me now. Come to me. Behave. Here. Alright. Behave your blood clot self. Oh. So me know say you know no sense, you know. You know see all the chat me I chat up my mouth pa my boss no look pa me. Cause him know me are the female version of him. Him know me mad no blood clot. Him prefer to see me. No. The man take the beat to blood clot. Me know you f my sister. I gonna beat you on her one time. You never know me beat man too. Hold on. Brother, remember when me start you know some wanted man where you never seen in years I carry fruits come at your yard 6 o'clock a morning come give me. You forgot? You forgot, Louis? Come on, man. That make me have to talk some things. Come on, Louis. Behave na Louis, man. So true you fuck Tasha. True you fuck my sister and the whole I wanna plan up to set me up. True you My big sister and the whole I wanna plan up to set me up and it no blood clot work and me trick no. Me trick no blood. I gotta give her some blood clot lick. I gotta give her some pussy clot lick, you see? Should we have fuck Tasha and feel like me no you have fuck my sister. You should have come live. You should have come live, Louis. Kill your daddy are the biggest girlies. I fuck you for spite. I fuck you for spite. If me no want your cocky mad me, can't mad me, you know. But if you tell you the truth, you can't fuck. But me sure my sister can't fuck like me. So no care how you fuck her, you fuck her and I sing about me. She can't fuck like me. My sister a nerd. My sister a nerd and her mouth stink. You not smell her mouth? Me ask you if you not smell her mouth. Cause anytime my sister talking on my face, me smell her mouth. Me know you smell her mouth. You not smell her mouth? Me ask you if you not smell her mouth. You ever smell my mouth, you pussy? The morning when I wake up, I wake you up 6 o'clock. You all sing about that. I wake you up 6 o'clock with a blood clot head. When me buck your blood clot cocky in my throat. You did have to sing about it. You sing about that too. Remember when you come in, you say, hey, blood clot, girl. The come from straight out of your back. Put respect for my blood clot name. You know why me a pre my boss? Lady saw give me the crown and him give me crown to the blue ear girl. And that's why me a pre my blood clot boss. But here what? Me and my boss thing different. You is not my boss. Me know me, but you don't know me, you know. It not take 2 months to know me, it not take 5 years to know me, because 50 different personality me have. You don't know me, nobody don't know me but me. Not even my boss don't know me. See? And me I say, bomba clot. You know, says a siren, blood clot spirit the girl Shana Chin have. I use and I seduce the man them in a dance hall to see clot. Me I save that boy. Cause the little time I down there, I realize that this boy I sing about me for years. And me I go play the song them from him just start sing about me.
But at the same time, yeah, breathing in my studio again. I wonder for the studio breathe at that time, yeah. Listen, me not understand if this are the cloud thing where you do for get the views them or whatever. But this is like a 5-year anniversary of madness I come round back. I never expect it. You get me? Just do music, me I beg you please. My community welcome music. Musicians going on my scheme. We always welcome music, not madness. You get me? And to our family again, just please seek some help for her and make sure she good. Because at the end of the day, our music. You get me I say? Too much madness back at it. If I this you have to do forget a song play, it not add up to me. Like me I go try sing, sing until it work. You get me? Me don't need the drama, me don't need all this bag of foolishness for make up this narrative just to make people talk. You get me I say? Just do the right thing. To our family again, please. Help. You get me? Do something, man.
Well, blood clot career. So I got some bombs now. Remember, you know, at the time when me, they receive you with him, you know. If I tell you, oh, I fall in love with the boy, give me the sweetest fuck me get in my life. And me a fuck from me at 16. And the sweetest and the biggest hood me get in my life. I think I did have the biggest hood. I'm buck up on dexta blood clot cocky. Me I say pussy clap, but it still never lick me chip. Cause you know me a gangster. Me just did love the fuck. So at the time, Sika Rhymes did get shut up. So, and me did I buy a grocery for the boss. And me did I visit the boss. And me did I work on the Phoenix album. It's the collaboration where him and Chronicler have. And me make that happen. Because the boy say me want to do a song with Chronicler. And me call Chronicler to come at the studio and do the song. When me call Chronicler to come at the studio and do the song. Because at the time, him start getting him feelings over me pussy and the them when me give him. Him feel at the time say, me and Chronicler did a fuck. Me and Chronicler never did a fuck. Anyway, at the time, Sika Ramsey get shut up and me I deal with everything for the boss. Me have the boss checkbook. Me have couple house key. And me carry the boss lunch and them somebody. Hold on. Make sure I look for the first song when me I play. Yeah. So after we voice the song now, a couple more time. And remember me groom different in a world boss groom me. So me groom as a thugs. So yeah, cause my confidence book. I saw me a show him say him for a film thing. You see me, cause I him name dexta daps him for all have 6-7 girl one place and no work can go on. That me a show him, you know. Anyways, there. And the first time I him. No, the second time, cause the first time I rape him. Hold on, I can't pass the live here right now. This hot. Get one well cool ID King downstairs for me, please. I make them gear the change here. So, go some bombs now. Start with the vibes with him. Whatever. House dirty. Full of cobweb and girl live in a house with him. So you know, so I send go buy some bleach and Fabuloso and all of them something. They clean the house. Wipe down with for wipe down. Well clean. Clean the house, fold up clothes, whatever. Cause boy house for clean. You can't have girl in your yard and girl wake up and no spread bread and girl tell you how she name controller boss.
Kira, please. You get me? As I said, I don't want to go too far with it. I don't say too much. But I see it as spiral out of control. I don't like it. Take care of Mary, man. You see me? Make sure say she good. Because when I hate her, we just can't bother the cray. You get me? I'm gone here, man. Bumbuckler. Because I don't like what this I go do to you, though. All the out there, they love job by that. When you take care of the girl, yo, and stop make you tell her and stop swell up things. Take care of the girl. I want our artists them in the industry. And do the right thing, yeah. Do the right thing.
Hey boy Dexter, calm down, you know. Hey point Dexter.
Watch this now. What a reason? What a reason? That part of the reason is serious. Tag a friend for tag a friend and tell a friend for tell a friend. Part of the reasoning, yeah? Serious. I don't want a noise in the background, but make sure I say peace and quiet come on to me. Hear what I say. Listen to me carefully. I'm not the type of person to put down any woman in her life. I've never been, and I never will be. See what I say? I'm not the type of person to make any human being look smaller than me. Because I'm a human being too. See? But at the same token, I don't want to allow somebody to do it to me. At the same token, can't allow somebody to do it to me, you get me? So, yeah, when you just, this, you know, say I'm going to direct this to your family. If if our family see this, would you please get her medication or whatever she need or whatever it is. Our family me are gonna make sure me direct this too. Before this get crazy, take care right. You see me? With all respect you. Wanna just take care right, man. You get me? Cause it can't get crazy, you know, man. Just take care right, man. You get me? Cause I don't have nothing to do with that. You get me, I say. Imagine me not see somebody in over 5 years and this aunt me. Imagine Mother Mary come in my life, come tell me all of this. Mother Mary. I don't want to say something.
Dexta, daps, stop it, Dexta. We don't believe you, bro. We don't. You want me if you believe, say, oh, a some Virgin Mary situation. And Mother Mary, you tell me, say, oh, she get pregnant and you never breedy. You say you never have no entanglements with her at all. Your peenie never going to fear something. That you try to tell we. You try to tell me say she don't know your hood size. You tell me say she don't know how your hood feel. Yeah, say all of this a fabrication. She make it up. Be a lies on top of lies. Boy, Dexta, me find it hard to believe in a Dexta. Dexta, oh, I believe in a Dexta. Me know she mad, me know she sick.
No, we're not dead in the show. And remember, I don't need a ghost rider. And you know, when me put pen to paper, it's not safe. Cause you watch and you talk. Remember the day when me in the middle and the bag of crowd there around way. And me nah look pan you, me nah look pan the crowd. Me in my book I write my song then. And you remember where you sit in front of everybody? You saw she write with fear pen and anybody where you see move so you know dangerous, you know. You remember? Me not forget no moment with you, you know. You remember the night when me take away your weed round and done well? And me chat beer fuck with the night, cause kill you dead a beer fuck with me and chat, you know. But me did mean every word. You remember the night when me take away your spliff and it? Me high your fuck. And me chat beer things. They did mean every word. Remember that night they me carry up on my yard? And about 3 rounds we go. We fuck. When you look the room upside in down, the whole scheme, hear me? To how you fuck up my hole. Remember that night they me breed? Remember the fuck where you fuck me in my room, me breed when you just come from jail. And you fuck me to the song where you do. The reality song where you do. And not even fuck song you fuck me pan. It's like you let go the whole of your pain in a pull out clad pussy. You fuck me over and over upon the song and me breed. And when me breed, me text you and tell you say I'm pregnant. And what you say to me? Me nah no shame, you know. Pride nah go kill me, you know. Me I tell the people them the blood clot truth. Remember when me text you and tell you say I'm pregnant. What you say to me? Don't make me block you. I just bite my lip and say, no man, it's alright. Don't block me. You remember that, pa? To all, I cherish you and I deal with you like a look a baby dog. I not even talk patois to you. I speak to you in a proper English. You say, yo man, you block me. I say, no, don't block me. Everything good. I'm hold it. And you know how me find out I'm pregnant? A Foota hype. Me see do one video. Somebody send me a video with Foota hype attack and say, yo, no see Lisa hype belly. Father God, if I'm lying and dying. Yeah, watch my video with Foota hype and Foota hype say, yo, no see Lisa hype belly. And to all me so caught up in a yo, me no realize me miss me period for 2 months. And so comes me realize say me period no come. Cause to all me happy like Christmas when me there around you. Me not have a care in the world. Me no remember say my period no come. After me done watch that video there with Foota hype, me go check my period, something up on my phone and look, say, bumbo clot. A 2 months my period no come, my pussy clot, me breed. But due to all me think me could breed, due to all me think me could breed, me not expect for breed. I remember the night when me carry on my yard, a big bumbo clock box of condom there on my pink dresser. I remember me in my room pretty and pink. Me never cap. Pretty face but my attitude stink. In my room well clean and pink. And on my chain alone me full of link. You think it's a joke thing? Alright. The big box of condom on my dresser, you just cut your eye past the condom and force up your blood clot within my hole. But through which part your hood touch, it never been touched before to all your hood big. Me feel like that's why me breed. And then me never fuck for 2 years. Where you touch your life for? Where you touch your life for? Don't touch back your life. You hear me I tell you? Behavior. Behave. Behave. Man, not talk to you again. Done with the waste of thing. You know, if it's great to see. Look how you deal with me. Rough like alligator skin. Me here, she... Oh, yeah, go like I know me, yeah, sing boss, so you. Just behave. It's okay. Love make you do crazy thing. Good pussy. Alright. So, oh, me not afraid to say you're cocky and mad be. So, oh, you are going like say, my good old, now make you sing about me. How much song you ever sing about me? Talk the truth, you know. Because I will prove it to the people, them. How much people over here? Bumble clock 2000 odd. You know how much, hey, you know how long me not get so much people for my life. I saw over here so nice.
Kira, please. You get me? As me say, I too want to go too far with it. And say too much. But I see it a spiral out of control. I don't like it. Take care of Mary, man. You see me? Make sure say she good. Because when I hate her, we just can't bother the cray. You get me? I'm gone here, man. Bumbo cloud. Because I don't like what this I got to do to you. I don't know what they love job by that. When if you take care of the girl, yo, and stop make she tell no cray and stop swell up things. Take care of the girl. I want our artists them in the industry. And do the right thing, yeah. Do the right thing.
Hey boy Dexter, come down, you know. Hey point Dexter.